In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set auto delete your files or your messages on your Telegram group after a specific period of time. So I have here my group, and you can go as well and open your group on your Telegram app. And then once you are on your group, you can see my group is here, boys group. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on these three dots here. Now, as you can see, we have the auto delete option up here. Currently, my group is set to never auto delete, and I want to set it to a specific period of time. So go ahead and tap on this, and then choose the time when you want Telegram app to auto delete your messages or conversations on your Telegram group. So for instance, maybe you want to auto delete after 1 month. You can go ahead and choose 1 month, and this will be set. Now that means that all messages that are 1 month old and beyond will be deleted automatically. Alternatively, you can go ahead and specify the period of time that you want to auto delete. For instance, if you just want to set maybe 2 weeks, you can say we don't have such a period here. So you can choose this custom option, and then go ahead and select the period. So from here, the period that you have set will be affected, and then all messages that fall beyond that period will be auto deleted. So that's how you set auto delete on your Instagram group. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.